So guys, let's start with the session. First of all, I will tell you about the lines and angles. Lines and angles. Okay. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully, guys. If you have these two, L1 and L2. L1 is parallel to L2 and L3 is transversal line. Guys, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line, then we have 8 angles here. And these 8 angles have some relations. These relations called lines and angles. Okay, so I will write all the relations one by one, please. Okay, now 2 is equal to 8, 1 is equal to 3, 5 is equal to 7, 6 is equal to 8. These are the pairs of vertically opposite. Sorry, this is 4. This is 4. So this is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. All right. Now listen carefully. 1 is equal to 5, 4 is equal to 8, 2 is equal to 6, and 3 is equal to 7. These are the corresponding angles. These are the corresponding angles. Yes, this is the first slide, Naresh. Don't worry. Okay. And 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 7, and 7 plus 8, 8 plus 5. All these sum will be equal to 180 degree. And these pairs called linear pairs. Okay. Now listen carefully. 4 is equal to 6, 3 is equal to 5. These are vertically, these are interior alternate angles. And 1 is equal to 7, 2 is equal to 8. This is exterior alternate angles. Okay. Now very important. Always remember one thing. 4 plus 5, 3 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree, and 1 plus 8, 2 plus 7 is equal to 180 degree. So guys, these are some relations, and on the behalf of these relations I will give you some questions based on it. Is this clear to all of you? If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment box. Yes guys, is this clear to all of you? Okay, now I will give you some questions based on it. Okay, now I'm giving you 2 questions first. Now please try to solve this question. This is 30 degree, this is 20 degree. Okay, and we have to find this theta. And always remember, this line is parallel to this line. Okay. Yes, bottom stream, Naresh, bottom stream is already done in today's class. Okay. Yes guys, this is the question. This is another question. This we have to find. Kaustubh Archana, this is the pair of co-interior angles. This is always equal. Sum of these two angles always 180 degree. Naresh, ask in the help section. Okay. Yes, guys, please try to solve the questions, please. Yes. Okay, Amrendra Reddy is asking, sir, geometry is necessary for RRB NTPC or not? Yes, guys, I will give the answer of this question. Guys, listen carefully. In RRB NTPC, geometry is of elementary level. That means only basic questions will be asked from the chapter geometry. All right, for your RRB NTPC examination. Clear, guys? Naresh, I didn't understand here. So guys, geometry is of elementary level. That means very basic questions will be asked in your geometry topic. Okay, because in RRB NTPC examination, arithmetic is important. Arithmetic is more important than advanced mathematics in your RRB NTPC examination. Yes, guys, please try to solve these questions and give the answer in the comment box. Please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Yes, guys, this is gamma. Now listen carefully. In order to solve these questions, you have to draw some imaginary lines parallel to this. I will draw a parallel line which is parallel to this and this. Okay. Now listen carefully. If this line and this line are parallel and this is transversal, if this is 30, then this should be 30 degree interior alternate angles. And if this is 20, then this is 20, then the whole angle is of 50 degree. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now let's move to this question. First of all, draw a line parallel to these two lines. As you know, these are the co-interior angles and some of these two angles are 180 degree. And this is 130, then this should be 50 degree. If this is 100 and this is 80, this should be 80. And you all know the linear pair, these three angles form a linear pair. So 8, 5, 30, then this should be 50 degree because sum of all linear pairs should be 180 degree. So this is 50 degree answer. All right, guys. Now let's move to the next question. Now draw a line again parallel to this. If this is 150, then this should be 30 degree. If this is 170, this should be 10. So this angle should be 40 degree. This angle should be 40 degree. I hope this point is clear to all of you. Now this is very important question. Yes, I will tell you the second question, Praddy, don't worry. Praddy, if this is 30 degree, 130, then this should be 50 degree because sum of these two is 180. If this is 100, and then this should be 80 degree. And sum of all these three should be 180 degree. If this is 80, this is 50, then this should be 50 degree. Okay. Now these three questions are clear to all of you or not? Please write in the comment box. Then I will tell you the fourth question. M Lakshman, actually I have already told this question 2 times, so it is better to watch in the recorded session. It is better to watch these questions in the recorded session. This is the real beauty of the online classes. Okay, is it okay, Aji? All right, now I will do this question, don't worry. Dear Naresh, you have to ask in the help section because I don't have any knowledge about it. Whether you are getting the recorded session or not, please ask to the management in the help section. Please, dear. You can ask any doubt here related to the class. Okay, Sai Krishna. Now listen, guys. First of all, extend this line. First of all, extend this line. Okay. If this is alpha, this is what? 180 minus alpha. If this is beta, this is what? 180 minus beta, because sum of these two is 180 degree. And there is a exterior angle property. Exterior angle property is what? If you have a triangle, if this is x, this is y, and this is z. So exterior angle property is what? Exterior angle property is what? X plus y is equal to z. This is the exterior angle property. Means sum of two interior angles is equal to sum of two interior angles. Sum of two interior angles is equal to the exterior opposite angle, opposite exterior angle. All right. So by this way, I can say 180 minus alpha plus 180 minus beta is equal to gamma. So 180 is 360 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. That means alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 360 degree. This is the answer. Yes, guys. Is this clear to all of you? Write in the comment box yes or no. Okay, now let's move to the next question. I will give you the next question. Please try to solve this question. Okay. Now listen carefully. This you have to find. L1, L2, L3. L1 parallel to L2 parallel to L3. Yes, you have to find theta. Yes, guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Come on. L1 is parallel to L2 is parallel to L3. Yes, guys. Guys, please listen. If this is 100, then this should be 100. Interior alternate angles. If this is 150, then this should be 30 degree. Co-interior angles, sum is 180 degree. If this is 100, this is 30, then this should be 70 degree. This is the right answer. All right. Is this clear to all of you? Yes or no? Write in the comment box. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. This is L1, this is L2. L1 is parallel to L2. Okay. this is 70 degree, this is 20 degree. What will be the value of this theta? Yes guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Okay, now listen carefully. Guys, if this is 70, then this is 70. This is just because of corresponding angles. Okay. If this is 70, then this should be 1, 1, 0. Because these are the linear pairs. If this is 1, 1, 0, this is 20, that is 130, then this should be 50 degree. Answer. Alright, is it clear to all of you? Write in the comment box, yes sir. If not, write in the comment box, no sir. Because you all know sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now I will give you the next question. Okay. Okay, Sai Krishna, no problem. Don't worry, Sai Krishna, dear, don't worry. Okay. Yes, find x. Yes guys, thank you M. Lakshman, thank you so much and welcome to Grade Up. Okay, guys, please listen carefully. As you all know, the sum of interior and exterior, sum of linear pairs is 180 degree. 3x is equal to 120, so x is equal to 40 is the right answer. All right, is it clear to all of you? Next. Yes, find x. Yes guys, as you all know, sum of linear pairs should be 180 degree. Then 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. 6x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 30 degree is the right answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now I will give you a question. You have to give the answer. Okay. Yes guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. This is L1, this is L2. L1 is parallel to L2. Okay, give the answer in the comment box. Now listen carefully. First of all, we have to draw a line parallel to L1 and L2. Okay, if this is 100, this should be 80. If this is 70, this should be 110. And there is some mistake in this question. Okay, there is some mistake in this question, sorry. This should be 170. Okay, this should be 170. So if this is 100, this is 80, this is 170, this is 10. And you all know sum of all interior angles should be 180 degree. So this is 80, this is 10, this should be 90 degree answer. I hope this is clear to all of you. Yes, this there was mistake in this question. All right. Is this okay to all of you? So guys, lines and angles is very easy concept. So lines and angle concept is this only. The lines and angles concept is this only. You will find some more questions in your quizzes, and when you are going to attempt the quiz, you will feel very confident in the lines and angles topic. So one question will be asked from this lines and angle topic, and this is very, very, very easy. This is very, very, very easy. Okay, now listen carefully. Now we will talk about the regular polygon. Regular polygon. In your syllabus, the regular polygon is there. Yes, lines and angles is very, very, very easy, guys. Lines and angles is very, very, very easy. Now we'll talk about the regular polygon. Then we will discuss some more questions. Okay, here we have question, this question, this question, this question, this question. Okay, first of all, I will discuss the regular polygon. Okay, what is the regular polygon? What is regular polygon? A polygon can be made by area bounded by 3 or more lines, straight lines, is called polygon. All right, so if this is equilateral triangle, this is called a regular polygon. If all the sides are equal, then this is called the regular polygon. Okay, this is also the polygon. Square, this is also the polygon, regular polygon. All right, this is also the regular polygon. So guys, when all the sides of a polygon are equal, this is called the regular polygons. Yes, no, polygon does not mean 5 sides. If polygon has 3 sides, this is called triangle. If polygon has 4 sides, this is called square or rectangle or quadrilateral. If polygon has 5 sides, this is called pentagon. If polygon has 6 sides, this is called hexagon. If polygon has 7 sides, this is called septagon. If polygon has 8 sides, this is called octagon. If polygon has 9 sides, this is called nonagon. If polygon has 10 sides, this is called decagon. Alright, so these are the names according to the number of sides. Alright guys, now come on to the main point of this regular polygon topic. Listen carefully. If there is a polygon of 3 sides, this angle is called interior angle, and this angle is called exterior angle. This is exterior angle, and this is interior angle. This is interior angle, this is exterior angle. Okay, so this is interior angle, this is exterior angle. Is it okay to all of you? Okay, and always remember one thing: interior plus exterior always equal to 180 degree. Interior plus exterior always equal to 180 degree. And guys, listen carefully. In today's class, you will find 2 questions in your examination. One is from lines and angles, and one is from regular polygon. Okay. Now, I will tell you the 5 formulas of this. Number 1. Sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Number 2, each interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. Number 3, sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree, and each exterior angle will be equal to 360 by n. And interior plus exterior is 180 degree. And number 6, total number of diagonals is equal to n minus 3 divided by 2. So guys, one question will be asked on these special formulas. Okay, if you are okay, I will give you a question. Please try to solve that question. First of all, please take the screenshot of this. Naresh, regular polygon is a polygon which has all sides equal, and n is what here? N is number of sides. N is number of sides of the regular polygon. Okay? Yes, guys, please take the screenshot of this. Please take the screenshot of this.